Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to insert a trademark symbol or trademark sign on your WPS presentation. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. Now, how to insert a trademark symbol on your WPS presentation mobile is just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, if you are just going to insert a symbol on your WPS presentation, you can't find that because there is no insert symbol option present on your WPS presentation mobile version. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google Keyboard or keyboard. You can just download it from the Play Store. After downloading the keyboard, I just going to open the keyboard first. Then you just need to click on the number section first, and you can just need to click on the symbol section. This is called symbol section. You just need to press this, and you can find the trademark symbol here. So you can just tap it, and you can just easily insert the trademark symbol from the keyboard. So this is the way that you can just insert the symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.